Hey guys, me Kuya Jeff, and today I'm gonna show you the Wilson Phil's Camper Kit. This one is a Yosemite package. So all in all, this is a really game changer product, and you can have like a kitchen system, a bed system, and a drawer system. And installing this is pretty easy. It take me like 15 minutes to do it. So yeah, so thank you Wilson Phil's for sponsoring this awesome product, and stay tuned. I'm gonna show you a walk around for this product. So yeah, so there's like some storage here that you can put like tools or recovery here, like here, and then another one here. So and then they kind of like this one's for the divided, so it's gonna be divided like in the hold on, I got some stuff here. So this one's for dividing the things here, so I put it in the center there, but I'm not gonna put it since I got some longer tools like this one, so I'm just gonna put it like that. So pretty much happy. So this one's some spare parts, and then there's another storage here too, just in case it, you know, like tools or whatever. So you can pretty much put some small stuff there, and you just put it back there. And then there's another one here too, so like, well, I don't know what you want to put it there, so like battery tape or whatever. So yeah, it's very spacious. And then the drawer, you know, same drawer. So yeah, so that's a lot of space to put on this kit. So drawer, I got two of this, and then a pretty wide storage. You can put there like tools or whatever. And then the other thing I like about this kit is, let me just put this one here. So if you wanna like just in case you wanna access your spare tires, so just pull it up this one here, and then you can just like, you know, there. So that's gonna be the spare tires part. So everything's pretty much accessible. So sorry about this guys, it's a little bit messy right now. I just recently installed this, so yeah, since I don't have a spare tire anymore, it's right over here. So pretty much like I'm gonna put probably I'm gonna make some like organized for tools or whatever. So yeah, so this is what it look like when you put it up. So and then this is gonna be look like when you put this one is like a OEM cover or something. So it's pretty much like this one's kind of like support to the secured, pretty secured. So installing this one is not too hard. There's an instruction that, you know, pretty much like straightforward. So just a couple of bolts right here, here, and then you're just gonna hook the factory hook to secure. So same thing in the back too. So it's pretty much easy. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it's kind of like 8. You just gonna bolt like something like that, and after that, that's pretty much it. So you're pretty much done installing it. So it might take like 50 minutes if you know what you're doing, or more, just in case you don't know what you're doing, you're just starting figuring out. So yeah, okay guys, so if you want to go camping and you don't have a rooftop tent like mine, or ground tent, and you want, like, you know, to sleep in the car, this one is the best that I experienced, especially sleeping inside of my car. So if you want to like do the full back, you can just pull it this one. This one's gonna be the smaller side, and I already put the bigger side on the bigger side. So just, you know, I'm just gonna put this in the side anyway, so it won't bother too much. So like that. And then I got a mattress here that you just, you know, pretty much like slide inside on it. So after that, you pretty much like done setting up. So it's very quick. Then the ground tent and or the rooftop tent. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. So that's it. So take me like couple of like 5 seconds to set it up. Pretty easy. So you know, you just like lay on it and then take some rest. Yeah. All right, and then just enjoy the view. So, or just try to get some rest. So yeah, it's very comfortable, guys. And I'm like 280 pounds, so it can support like power like 500 pounds or more. It depends how big you are or something like that. And pretty much like it can fit like three people inside if you kind of like set out the camper kit from Wilson Fields. So yeah. So for example, guys, you've been driving like hours and hours and hours, and you're getting falling asleep and something like that. And I just, you know, I'm just gonna park on the side and just go to the back. And you know, when the bed is already ready on the Wilson Fields camper kit. So no, so I'm in the driver's side, and then just slide this down like that all the way, and then once it's down, you just pretty much like slide in there. So it's pretty like easy to access. So yeah. So yeah, it's like you're in the RV though. So I got my pillow here, I got some stuff here, so it's not gonna go anywhere, guys. So I got my window view, another window view, and another window view. So I'm gonna put some tint in here in the picture. So yeah, so like I said, like you're really tired and something and you just wanna get some quick nap or quick sleep, so just slide on the back and that's it. You just sleep. Alright guys, so this is gonna be my kitchen setup. So if you want to put some gas stove or something like that, and then if you want to wash something, and this one's gonna have a wire on it. So yeah, if you want to wash something or clean something, you can just use that. So it's pretty much like there's a cable there, hook it up with this one. It's hook it up all the way down here to my water supply here. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome setup, guys. So you can like, you know, like wash some plates or whatever. So, or you can pretty much do anything in here. You can pretty much do anything here, guys. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the Wilson Fields camper kit. This one is a Yosemite package. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with the product. And you have a bed, you get a kitchen, you got a lot of storage. So what else can you say? So for me, I have nothing to say. So and I don't need to put my rooftop tent to set it up. It may take a while, and this one just, you know, just put the mattress and that's it, and put some stuff, whatever stuff you want to put in there, and or whatever you want to wash, cook, or whatever in there. So yeah, I'm pretty happy, guys. I'm pretty happy. So please do check out the wilsonfields.com.